How do you make 0?
You look at the answer here. 1 plus 0 equals
1,
4 plus 0 equals
4,
0 plus 2 equals
2,
so what's your answer? 2 plus 0 equals
2.
okay. Next.
9 plus 1 is 10.
Wow! Walang bilang-bilang. Good job.
6 plus 3. 6 is the bigger number. 3, 3, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is it?
Very good. So you can now do the addition without Nana's help. Oh, 9. When you do it, then you already know how to write 9. Okay, next.
2 plus 7. So is the higher number. I do 2, 6. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 it is.
Good job. How many items? Up to? Up to
24.
24 items. So you can now solve addition on your own without my help?
Yes.
Bye-bye. Smart kid.
This one.
Yeah, you want to answer more or let's read na Filipino book?
I want to do more things.
You want to more? You want more of math?
I want more.
Wow.
This
Okay, let me
one.
know when you don't want to answer.
3 plus 0.
Oh, yeah,
3.
He knows how to do the math on his own. The fastest addition.
0 plus 9. 9. 5 plus 1. 6.
Nuts. It's okay.
Anymore.
You write 6. Like this.
6, 7. The original meaning. 6, 7.
Okay, next.
1 plus 7. 8.
Wow, impressive.
7 plus 0. 7. Where's my 7 with like this?
Yeah, it's correct.
2 plus 6. I want to answer anymore.
Huh?
I want to answer anymore.
How about you answer all the 0 and all with the ones? Let's answer all the 0.
This is 0. 4.
You're tired of counting na. Alin pa yung may 0? How about this one? This one is easy.
Yes, it's 1.
Read.
9 plus 1.
Ito na lang may 0. So you can finish all the 0. Ayaw na? Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And then?
This will turn into a shark.